another video. Hey, I'm gonna be doing the 24-hour challenge. I'm doing this one right here. You can see my flight's at 7, so I don't know why she stayed up all night. So I just built this giant bridge. So weird. Now I'm gonna be building. I forgot the name of it. It's a truck made out of Lego. I don't know what it is. Type in the comments. What? No, wrong side. What? Never mind. I'm just building a truck. So let's start. I already started. I'm on the 6th page. So right here. So this is what I've done so far. So next step is to, I did that. Flip the page so you can see it. Turn it backwards. So now, no, I'm building a whole new thing. So one of these. Yeah, I got this. 5. I mean, if you can find this, just find this for me. One of these. How many of these? 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry for like this. And one of these. Yeah, I got this. And 2 of those. Oh, 2. And I need a blonde color piece. I call it blonde color pieces. And I need 2 of those. So I need, what's that piece? I need 2 of these. Found 1. And found another. So see, look right here. And now I'm gonna put it together. First, I get this. Then I put these 2 pieces like this. Got one like that, and 2 like this. Oh, look, it's wobbling. I don't know why. So next step is to, oh yeah, I know why we need a lot of things. So see this right here? Pulling this up, putting that in there, putting the blonde piece in there, the other one, yeah, but it's still super wobbly. And next step, I put these lids on here, that on there, and second one. There is, how many pages are there? It's 45. So I'm probably going to do like about 2.5, 3 parts. So each one's going to be 12 minutes long. And, ooh, yeah, I get my next one. Did I just do something wrong? No, I didn't. So now I'm on the 8th page. There's 40 pages. Kind of going kind of slow because I'm recording on here. When I record, I probably go like a little bit slower. This is my first building video. still super wobbly. At the bottom, how to get it? Oh, yeah. That's interesting. So what do you put this piece? Just to put it on this, but I don't know how to. Yeah, I get this. Oh, putting this on. So now I got one piece, but it's still super wobbly for some reason. Doing, I need two of these, two of the blonde pieces. So getting two of those. One. Two. Uno, dos. In case you speak Spanish. I know I speak a little bit. Well, I almost asked. I don't know to do an intro. I don't know to say my YouTube name. It's pretty surprising. I should. I can barely speak my mom. First language, I should be able to speak it, but I don't. And there's no problem with that, because I don't even understand. Okay. It's still super wobbly. I've done this much. See, look, you can see it wobble, wobble, wobble. Now I'm putting it in. It's still wobbling, so it's kind of hard. Not hard at all. Just doing. Done this so far. Next page, I need one yellow piece. Yeah. What's that piece again? Oh, another blondie piece. Another blonde piece. Yeah. And two of... I never use them. I got two of these pieces. You see? And one top. One top piece. I don't know. I should know my labels. And one of these. Now I'm putting it together. I don't know if it's gonna make it. I'm gonna probably post another vlog on the airplane. How awesome is that? It's gonna be a connected flight. So first I'm gonna get off in Amsterdam in like an hour flight, and that's the real deal from Amsterdam. 9 hours to Houston, Texas live. Like cool my seats are. Yeah, I love my seats. And then my next trip, I'm gonna be going to Chicago. That's awesome. I'm gonna go to Chicago for one of my relatives' graduation for art. So I might post a few vlogs there. Yeah. But this piece in there. Update what page you on? You're on page 11. Okay. Put this in. I'm gonna stop this at 12 minutes. So right here is gonna be part 2. And maybe I'm gonna do like a half the part 2. Yeah. Instructions. Sorry for that. Bad view of it. Ooh, that looks cool. Does this make it tight? Why is everything so loose? So loose. Oh yeah, this makes it tight. page, number 12. One, number 5. Yeah, I want one of these. It's not staying straight. It's kind of hard to put this in because it's so wobbly. Put this onto there. I should have done a build it with the Porsche, but does that look good? Yeah, that looks fine. Did I do this backwards? No, I didn't. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure to watch part 2 after this. So, see you later, people.